Hello, my name is Jumon Tun.
My name is Henry Tudesmond.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to IT 300 Gene Group 76. Today, our strand will be computing, and then substrand is add and modify pictures from different sources. Without wasting much time, let's introduce ourselves. And then, my name is Jomo Anthony.
My name is Kusita Fuimano.
My name is Nkume Emmanuel.
Yeah. Since we have
I am Abdullah Sulemana.
Since we have already introduced ourselves, let's move on to our today lesson. Our lesson for today is adding and modifying pictures from different sources. Without wasting much time, let's consider our instructional objectives for our lesson. Our instructional objectives are: by the end of the lesson, the students will be able to 1. Explore the addition and modification of pictures from different sources to document by working in pairs. 2. Find graphical images from different places and sources. 3. Insert pictures stored on the computer. Let's move on. When you talk about the Microsoft Publisher, the Microsoft Publisher is all about, it's a desktop publishing application from Microsoft, different from Microsoft Word, in that the emphasis is placed on page layout and design rather than text composition and proofing. It can produce Bronco, newsletters, menus, postcards, and more, and prepare these documents for self-printing or sending to a commercial printer. Let's look at, we have some of the terminologies that has been associated with the Microsoft Publisher. These terminologies will be the page orientation, and then under the page orientation we have the page size, the orientation itself, the page setup, page design tab, and then the print tab in the backstage view. Let's take it one after the other and explain as the page, when so far as the page orientation is being concerned. The page size refers to the area of your publication, paper or sheet, size or paper or sheet. Size is the size of the paper used for printing. Orientation. Let's look at orientation. Orientation refers to the portrait, which is the vertical or landscape or horizontal layout. For more information about changing the orientation, any publication layout you select in Publisher includes the page size and orientation used most often for that particular type of publication. You can change the page size and orientation and preview your changes in the page setup group on the page design tab. I will demonstrate that you can change the paper size and orientation and preview your changes and relationship between the page size and the paper size in the print tab in the backstage view. Let's move on. Then our next thing we will talk about is how to insert a picture stored on computer into a publication using Microsoft Publisher. Learning to insert pictures and other types of images into your publication will be one of the most important things you learn. Images and graphics are the key to making your publications attractive. However, there are so many methods for inserting images in so many ways you can alter those images to make them fit in with your presentation. Anytime you want to insert an image into a publication, you go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. The Insert tab is being demonstrated in the picture below. This is how to insert a picture stored on computer into a publication using the Microsoft Publisher. Then you go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and then as it is being demonstrated in the picture below. Let's move on. Our next thing that has been taken into consideration is the methods used to insert pictures and clip art into publication. There are so many methods used to insert pictures and clip art into publication, but here we are going to talk about 4 methods that you will use to insert pictures and clip art into your publication. 1. You can right click on the image and click copy the image. Where you find your image, you right click and then on the image, and then you click copy. You can do this for images you find online or on your computer. Then click in your publication and click paste. And select paste. As one of the methods you can use to insert pictures and clip art into your publication. 2. Another method. 2. You can use pictures you have saved on your computer, external drives, or memory cards from cameras. 3. You can import pictures you find online using Bing, Facebook, and other sources. 4. Import pictures to the Scratch area. Which method you use will depend on the pictures or clip art you want to use, as well as where the images are located. But in our lesson, we are going to demonstrate how to insert pictures you have saved on your computer, external drive, or memory card from cameras. We are going to use the second method in our lesson. Let's move on. Inserting images from your computer or external drive. Anytime you want to insert anything into your publication, chances are good you find appropriate button under the Insert tab as being demonstrated in the picture. The picture tools are grouped in an illustration group on the ribbon. I will demonstrate it for you to see. Let's move on. Inserting images from your computer on an external drive. To insert a picture into the publication you have stored on your computer, move the cursor to the place in your publication where you want the picture to appear. Then simply click the picture button. A window will open, allowing you to navigate to the picture on your computer as being demonstrated or shown in the picture below. Our next thing we want to consider is to inserting images from your computer or external drive. We will continue from where we are from our previous discussion, which is inserting images from your computer or external drive. Then click the insert button as demonstrated here. You select the image you want to insert, and then you click on insert button. Then you wait it into your publication. You can also resize it and add special effects that we'll cover in the next lesson. Then we are already talked about how to insert pictures stored on your computer or external drive. We're also going to talk about how to insert pictures online and clip art from source. You can also insert Microsoft Office clip art images you find using Bing search and images from your SkyDrive into a publication. To do this, you click the online pictures button as being demonstrated in the picture below. This is how to insert online pictures and clip art into your Microsoft Publisher. Then the image talking about how to inserting online pictures and clip art. When you click the button, then this window will appear as being demonstrated in the picture below. Then let's move on. Suppose you want to insert a particular online picture. Then what will you use? You use keywords to select a particular picture you want to insert. For example, suppose you want to insert a picture which talk about coffee. Then we are going to type in coffee, and then at the search button you type coffee at the search button and you click search. Then the related pictures of coffee will be displayed, but in order to do this you need to be connected to the internet, because you are inserting online pictures and clip art into your Microsoft Publisher. This is how we demonstrate, as it is being demonstrated in the picture below. Then the person is trying to select the images of coffee from a source. That is how we use to insert pictures, online pictures and clip art into the Microsoft Publisher. Take note. When inserting online pictures and clip art into your Microsoft Publisher, as you can see, the Microsoft lets you know that the images shown are licenses under Creative Commons as being defined by a Webopedia. You have a website that talk about the licensure of images, then the copyright and other stuffs. When you visit that site, which is Webopedia, it will give you the images that is under licenses, and then the images that is not under licenses. It is when you are inserting online pictures and clip art into the Microsoft Publisher, you should take note of these licenses. Otherwise, you find yourself wanted in the course of copyright. Then make sure you check the copyright to be sure you can use the images. To avoid copyright issues, either use your own images that are in the public domain, which no copyright, or purchase image from stock photo site where you receive a license with the image. We will bring this our lesson to an end. But before that, as I explained earlier on, we will quickly go and demonstrate how to insert a picture from the Microsoft Publisher store on your computer, as well as the inserting online pictures and clip art into the Microsoft Publisher. Then let me quickly go and search for my Microsoft Publisher. You go to the start button and search for Microsoft Publisher. Yeah, I'm using Publisher 2019. Either you use 2016, and then anything you use is the same. Then you can click on New. We have some of the templates available for you. These are the templates available for me. But here we are going to select the blank page, which is the blank A4. And then we have to, as I explained in our lesson, we have the portrait, which is the vertical, and we have the landscape, which is the horizontal. Here I'm going to use the portrait to do our demonstration. Then you click on the portrait, and then we went to the ribbon, we have the home, we have the insert, we have the page design. Then in our lesson I talk about the page orientation. In order to find your page orientation, you go to the page design tab, and then you navigate to orientation, where you can change your page to a portrait or a landscape. Here I want this in a portrait. I want to change it to a landscape. Then I go to the page design and come to the orientation, and then come to landscape. Right now my page has turned into landscape, which is the horizontal. Then this is how to change our page orientation, either from the landscape or the portrait. See, our focus is not on the, but our focus is to how to insert picture and clip art into your Microsoft Publisher. See, let me go and demonstrate how to insert a picture store on your computer or external drive into your Microsoft Publisher. Then you come to insert. Then when you come to insert, we have the pictures, and then we have the online pictures. Then you click on pictures. When you click on pictures, suppose you want to insert pictures, store on your drive or your computer. Then you click on pictures. But when you want a picture from online or from a source, then you click online pictures. I'll go and demonstrate both of them for you to see. And first, let me demonstrate how to insert a picture store on your computer or external drive. Then you click on pictures, and then this window will open it for you as I explained in the picture in our lesson. Then these are some of the pictures I have stored on my computer. Then I want to install this particular picture, insert this particular picture into my publication. And then I click on it, and then I select and then click on insert. Right now, my picture has been inserted into my publication. But when you see how my picture is being inserted, then I move to my page, to the blank page. Here you can resize it to the here you can resize it to fit the page the way you want it. This is how to insert a picture store on your computer or external drive. Then let me go and demonstrate how to insert a picture from an online or source. Then the same approach. Click on the insert. Yeah. Then I'm going to insert a picture. This time around, it's not on our computer, but it's from a source. That one, you need to have an internet access. The same, you come to the insert tab, then you click on online pictures. As I said in our lesson, if you want to insert online pictures, then you need to be connected to the internet. You click on online pictures, and then you wait for some time for the pictures to load. Good. This my pictures I want to insert from online. As I said in our lesson, suppose you want to search for picture which talk about coffee, then you search for coffee, then you click on search and you wait for some time. These are some of the pictures of coffee. Then we want to insert this particular picture into our publication. Then you select it, and then you wait for some time for your picture to be inserted into your publication. This is how you can insert a picture store on your computer. This is how you can add and modify by inserting a picture from your computer or external drive as well as online pictures. We will bring our lesson to an end. Thank you.